Good afternoon, everyone. We will be beginning the program. A very good afternoon to everyone and a very warm welcome to the 5th Flow UP Awards, virtual awards. I am Aarti Gupta, your Senior Vice Chairperson for Flow Kanpur chapter. Behind every successful woman, there is a tribe of other successful women who have her back. With this in mind, the Flow UP Awards was conceived. A joint initiative by the Flow Lucknow and Flow Kanpur chapters, these awards have come to an end of another successful year, and it is time for us to felicitate the winners. Without taking much of your time, I would like to invite the Flow Kanpur chapter chairperson, Dr. Anuradha Varshney, to give the welcome speech.
नमस्कार। उत्तर प्रदेश की महिलाओं के हौसले को समर्पित आज की शाम 5th फ्लोर यूपी वुमेन्स अवार्ड 2019-20 में आप सभी का स्वागत करती हूँ। फ्लो कानपुर चैप्टर और फ्लो लखनऊ चैप्टर के सौजन्य से इस समारोह का आयोजन किया गया है। ख्वाहिश थी भव्य समारोह में आप सभी को सम्मानित करने की, पर वक्त ने कुछ ऐसी करवट ली, हम वर्चुअल सेरेमनी कर रहे हैं। आप सभी ने विभिन्न क्षेत्रों में अहम आयाम हासिल किए हैं। हम ट्रॉफी और सर्टिफिकेट देकर सम्मानित कर रहे हैं। काश हम आपको स्टेज पर बुलाकर ट्रॉफी देते। तहे दिल से मुबारक देती हूँ। आपकी ट्रॉफी और सर्टिफिकेट आपको सआदर पहुंचाए जाएंगे। ग्रामीण क्षेत्र की महिलाओं की पुरस्कृत धनराशि उनके अकाउंट में जमा कर दी जाएगी। स्वागत करती हूँ दैनिक जागरण का। आपका साथ हमारा सौभाग्य है। स्वागत की बेला में अलका डालमिया का आभार व्यक्त करती हूँ पुरस्कृत धनराशि के लिए। स्वागत की कड़ी अधूरी रहेगी इन नट्स मुकुल खट्टर एंड टीम के बिना। टेक्निकल सपोर्ट आज की शान है। फ्लो लखनऊ और फ्लो कानपुर के सभी मेंबर्स का स्वागत करती हूँ और अंत में मीडिया बंधुओं का स्वागत है हमारी आवाज को देने के लिए। धन्यवाद, शुक्रिया।
Thank you, Mrs. Varshney. Can I now invite Senior Vice Chair of Flow Lucknow chapter to introduce the jury and share some details about the Flow UP Awards. Pooja Garg, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. Every year, Flow recognizes the achievements of women who have excelled in their own fields and are icons of inspirations for the society. Needless to say, the most crucial part then is to identify exceptional achievers in each field and to then select a winner. This assiduous and challenging work each year is done by a panel of highly esteemed individuals who have contributed to society in exceptional ways and are stalwarts in their own chosen fields. There are people who have left their mark on the sands of time and are beacons of exceptional achievements in the society ridden by mediocrity, much like our achievers who are to be felicitated today. I would like to take a few minutes to introduce our stellar jury who graciously gave their time and energy to this cause. Mr. Jayant Krishnan is a senior fellow at the think tank CSIS, Washington, DC, and executive director at WF, a US nonprofit. Mr. Krishna previously led key initiatives of Prime Minister's flagship Skill India mission. A British Chevening scholar, he also received the APJ Abdul Kalam Award for Innovation in Governance. Mrs. Sunita Aaron is the author of 3 books and is the first woman editor in North, serving as the senior resident editor, Uttar Pradesh Hindustan Times. She has anchored programs and is now a TV expert on politics. Mrs. Archana Garodia Gupta is the best-selling author of 2 books on history with a 3rd ready for publication. A leading national quizzer, she has won the Champion of Champions title for BBC Mastermind India. She is also on the panel of Kaun Banega Crorepati. She is currently the national chair for the FICCI MSME committee. Archana ji was the president of FLOW in 2015 to 2016. Mr. Yatendra Mishra is a celebrated poet, author, and the music and cinema scholar. He is a recipient of several awards for his literary contributions, such as Bharatiya Vidyapith Fellowship, Raza Foundation Award, and National Film Award. Thank you.
Thank you, Pooja. And congratulations to our wonderful jury who've painstakingly gone through each of these applications and selected our wonderful winners today. It is now time to recognize and felicitate the amazing women heroes amongst us who are breaking the glass ceiling and paving the way for all of us to follow. We will now begin our award ceremony. We will start with the Urban Awards. The first category for the Urban Awards is Outstanding Women in Medicine and Health. And the winner for this award goes to Dr. Anita Saxena. Congratulations, Dr. Saxena.
Thank you. Thank you.
Dr. Saxena is a professor at Sanjay Gandhi Postgraduate Institute of Medical Sciences and is a recipient of the Bharat Jyoti Awards 2017, an International Excellence Award for her work to fight against malnutrition and chronic kidney disease. She also started the official journal of Society of Renal Nutrition and Metabolism to spread awareness on prevention of malnutrition, and has also written 6 books on renal nutrition, which are a guide for preventing malnutrition. Congratulations, Dr. Saxena. We will now hear a few words from a pre-recorded video from her.
Hi, I'm Dr. Anita Saxena, professor in the Department of Nephrology, SGPGI, Lucknow. Mrs. Varshney had nominated my name for the award of Outstanding Women in Medicine and Healthcare to FICCI Ladies Organization in the month of February this year. But after that, I didn't hear anything from her for more than a month, and I was wondering as to what had happened. On the 11th of this month, while I was working in my office, I suddenly received a phone call from Mrs. Varshney, and she said that she was very happy to tell me that I had won the award. Believe me, it was the most exciting moment of the day for me amidst stressful routine. In fact, this year, this is the 3rd good news that has come my way. The first being that I was nominated for Dr. A.G.P. Kalam's Excellence Award 2020 by India International Friendship Society, and the second being my elected as Fellow of Royal College of Physicians, London. The reason I'm so happy to get this award is that my aim to fight malnutrition in chronic kidney disease patients has been recognized by the society, and I really feel proud of this. I thank Mrs. Varshney for having nominated my name for this award, and FICCI Ladies Organization for considering me worthy of it. Thank you both.
Congratulations, Dr. Saxena, and kudos to all health workers like you who usually and especially in these stressful times are creating such an impact. Our runners-up in this category of Outstanding Women in Health, Medicine and Healthcare is Mrs. Shalini Mohan. Mrs. Mohan is an associate professor at GSVM Medical College, Kanpur, and is an eye surgeon with a keen interest to start and establish new management modalities in the field of cataract, cornea, and glaucoma. She is the recipient of several awards like the Netra Kumbh Award 2019 by the Union Health Minister, Dr. Harsh Vardhan. Congratulations, Mrs. Mohan. Can we please hear a few words from her?
Namaskar, I am Dr. Shalini Mohan. I am working as an eye specialist in GSVM Medical College, Kanpur. I am thankful to Flow Award for which I have been selected, and I am thankful to all the organizers who nominated me for this award. This juncture, I would like to pass on an important message to all the viewers that we are fighting against the war, which is COVID, the infection caused by coronavirus. So I would request all of you to follow proper lockdown, to maintain the social distancing, and to use the mask if you have to go out of your house. So stay healthy, stay safe, and stay blessed. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Mohan, and congratulations once again. Our next category of award is the Outstanding Women Entrepreneur. We all know how important entrepreneurs are, especially women entrepreneurs. And the winner for this award is Mrs. Manju Taneja. Mrs. Taneja is an enterprising woman who started a company named Manjusha in 1974. Manjusha sells hand-knit sweaters for all age groups using the best wool available in the market. She is financially empowering not only herself, but 1,000 women who she outsources the knitting work to. Kudos to you, ma'am, for doing such exemplary work. Can we please hear from Mrs. Manjusha Taneja?
हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम मंजू तनेजा है और मैं मंजूषा नामक एक संस्था चलाती हूँ जिसमें हम लोग हाथ से बुने हुए स्वेटर बनाते हैं और बाद में उसका विक्रय भी करते हैं। कल शाम की बात है, मुझे फ़ोन आया मिसेस माधुरी हलवासिया का, जो कि फिकी फ्लो की प्रेसिडेंट हैं उत्तर प्रदेश की, और उन्होंने ये बोला कि मुझे वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर कैटेगरी में फर्स्ट प्राइज़ दिया जा रहा है। इस काम के पीछे बहुत डेडिकेशन, हार्ड वर्क और बहुत सारे लोगों की उम्मीदें बंधी हुई हैं और हम लोग सब बहुत ईमानदारी और मेहनत से काम करते हैं। फिकी फ्लो का मैं तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ कि उन्होंने मुझे इस तरह से सम्मानित किया। हालांकि मेरा ये जो एफर्ट है ये एक सागर में बूंद की तरह से है। मुझे लगता है मैंने कुछ भी ऐसा खास नहीं किया, मगर ये भगवान की असीम कृपा है कि उनके अनुग्रह से फिकी फ्लो ने मुझे इस काबिल समझा कि ये पुरस्कार दिया। उसके लिए उनका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। गॉड ब्लेस देम।
Thank you, ma'am. You're an inspiration to all young entrepreneurs like us. The runners-up in this category of Outstanding Women Entrepreneur is Mrs. Shail Kapoor. Mrs. Kapoor is a president of Kashi Jewelers. Her passion for fashion and design has helped Kashi Jewelers reach new heights and get numerous awards and recognition nationally and internationally. She was also awarded in 2014 with the Indian Women Power Award. Can we please hear from Mrs. Kapoor?
I am deeply humbled for receiving Outstanding Woman Entrepreneur in the state of Uttar Pradesh for the 5th Flow Women's Award. I would like to thank the entire Flow Committee, Kanpur Lucknow chapter, for honoring me with this. In this difficult time, I request everyone to remain indoors, stay healthy and safe. Thank you once again.
Congratulations, ma'am, for the wonderful work you do in the city of Kanpur. Our next award category is the Outstanding Women in Social Work. And the winner for this award is Farida Jalees. As the chief functional of Lucknow Mahila Seva Trust, Mrs. Farida Jalees has the overall responsibility and has assisted 5,000 women and adolescent girls to improve their livelihood through vocational training programs on tailoring and embroidery, training of sewing machine repairing, etc. Congratulations, ma'am, for the fabulous work you do. Can we please hear from her?
Thank you, Vicky, FLO, Kanpur, Lucknow, for choosing me for such a prestigious award. I am really honored and I am again thankful to you.
Congratulations, ma'am, for the wonderful work you do. Our runner-up in the category of Outstanding Women in Social Work is Poulami Pavani Shukla. Poulami Pavani Shukla is a Supreme Court lawyer who fights for the rights of orphan and destitute children of India. She has co-authored a book and is a champion in getting policy modifications for orphans of India. Her book, Weakest on Earth, Orphans of India, has been following various governments with significant success in getting these policy modifications done. Congratulations, ma'am, for the excellent work you do. Can we please hear from her?
I want to thank the FICCI Flow chapters of Lucknow and Kanpur for conferring me and considering me worthy of this honor. There are 2 crore children in India, 20 million, more than the population of Sri Lanka, and less than 1 lakh of them are covered under government programs. The rest of them are left to fend for themselves. I want to urge each of you who are watching this video that you are very privileged, and if in your life you can change the life of one child, it would mean a lot. Even if it is as simple as talking to a child at a traffic signal and reporting him to the nearest police station if you think he is an orphan or he is a kidnapped child or a street child, or sponsoring the education of 2, 3, 4 children, or employing one in your organization. Very small methods, very small measures, or even giving them guidance. Such small measures can really change their life. You may not be able to change the world, but for that child, you would have changed the world. I thank FICCI Flow again, and I'm very, very grateful. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for the wonderful work you do for the orphans of India. We really salute you. Our next category of award is the Outstanding Women for Corporate Officers and Directors. We know that India needs more and more of such corporate directors. The winner for this award is Mrs. Shefali Raj. Shefali Raj is a Managing Director of PSIT Group of Institutions, Kanpur. With a passion to create a world-class institute, her dynamism has transformed the brand image of the institute and has impacted admissions. We definitely need young dynamic leaders like you to take the country forward. Congratulations. Can we please hear from her?
Namaste. My name is Shefali Raj. It's an incredible honor to win the FICCI Flow Award 2020 in Director category. Feels awesome for sure. I thank Flow for putting up this event every year, and it's special because it celebrates womanhood, their excellence in various domains. Thank you, jury, for acknowledging my abilities and making me feel a Shakti Swarupa. Believe in yourself. Negotiate for yourself. Own your own success. You know, men reach out for opportunities more than women do. Don't quit. We know life gets difficult for us many times. Fight it. If you lose, take a break. Have the power of resilience. Try to achieve the balance. Remain confident in your life. Be daring. In life, there's no safety except self-belief. Give your best, and that's perfect. Thank you. More power to us women to stand for one another always. Thank you, FICCI Flow, once again.
Thank you, ma'am, and congratulations to you once again. You're an inspiration for many. Our next category of awards is the Outstanding Young Women Entrepreneur. This category basically recognizes women entrepreneurs who are founders of startups. And the winner for this category is Samiksha Bajaj. Samiksha Bajaj is a young woman entrepreneur who started India's first fashion tech brand that specializes in affordable luxury clothing for women, Samshape. It is also one of the first to introduce the 3D body scanning technology in India, which creates clothing for any size and any body type. Her goal is not to earn just profits or make it big. It is to use their brand for the betterment of the society. Congratulations on this award, Samiksha. Can we please hear from her?
Hi, this is Samiksha Bajaj, co-founder of Samshape. I would like to share some exciting news that happened last week during this COVID-19 lockdown. I was taking a nap and suddenly I got a call from Vicky Flo that I won the award of youngest women entrepreneur. It's like speechless, how to react? However, I express my deepest gratitude to Vicky Flo for awarding me in this honor. And once again, thank you, Vicky Flo, for taking this initiative and recognizing the potential of women leaders. Thank you.
Congratulations, Samiksha, and kudos to you for doing a fabulous job. Our runner-up in this category of Outstanding Women Entrepreneur in the startup category is Deepti Mehrotra. Deepti Mehrotra started Jeevanya Naturals, Lucknow's first organic superstore, providing naturally and ethically grown products. She has more than 500 products. Based on the concept of farm to fork, Jeevanya Naturals works with more than 1,000 to make their products directly available to consumers. Can we please hear from Deepti?
Namaskar. I'm extremely humbled to receive this award of Outstanding Women Entrepreneur of the Year from Vicky Flo. And on this moment, I would like to thank my parents for their guidance and support. And I would like to thank my team at Jeevanya Naturals who have been there with me throughout this journey, and my customers who have put their faith and trust in Jeevanya Naturals organic products, and most importantly, the farmers of this country, without whom all of this wouldn't have been possible. So thank you everyone, and thank you Vicky Flo. Namaste.
Congratulations, Deepti, and keep doing the wonderful work you do. Our next category of awards is the Outstanding Work to Skill Women in Sustainable Livelihood. And the winner for this award is Anjali Singh. Anjali Singh works with groups of women to create an ecosystem where women become financially independent, support their families, get dignity of labor, and promote eco-friendly lifestyle solutions using jute. Jute for Life, a brand of Jute Artisans Guild Association, is a voluntary non-profit encouraging the rural poor women of Lucknow district to fabricate jute products as their source of livelihood. She's received various awards for this endeavor of hers. Congratulations, Anjali ji. You're doing a fabulous job. Can we please hear from her? Oh, we do not have a video from Anjali ji, but congratulations to her. The runner-up in the category of Outstanding Work to Skill Women in Sustainable Livelihood is Mrs. Mohini Jhawar. Mohini Jhawar ji established Sambal as a project of the Deva Foundation. At Sambal, she provides free vocational training in a professional manner to enable women to earn their livelihood. So far, under her guidance, 70,000 girls and women have been trained by Sambal. Congratulations, ma'am, for doing a fabulous job. Do we have a video from her? Can we please play it? Congratulations, ma'am. Our next category of awards is Outstanding Women in Environment Awareness. This is a really important category And we have an unusual winner this year for this category. The winner for this award is Vanshika Bhatia, and she's a chef. Vanshika Bhatia, a chef by profession, is a chef by profession, but her calling is to run sustainable zero waste kitchens. One of her biggest achievements was to be invited to speak at the World Economic Forum in Delhi. According to her, her biggest challenge while running a sustainable restaurant is training the staff that everything on the chopping board should be used without wastage. Congratulations, Vanshika. I'm sure we all can learn from you. Can we please hear from Vanshika?
This is Vanshika Bhatia and this is Ritu Bhatia. I want to thank FICCI Flow for considering us for the award for Women Entrepreneur. I want to thank my family and friends who have always supported us in the endeavor, and we hope we can take together at 12th to greater heights. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Vanshika. You're doing a fabulous job. Our next category in the Urban Awards is Outstanding Women in Education. And the winner for this award is Dia Badgil. Dia is the founder principal at Birla Open Minds International School. In her 2 decades of working in the education sector, she has adapted unique methods to ensure thousands of children have access to the right kind of education to become lifelong learners. Congratulations, Dia. You're doing a fabulous job. Can we please hear from Dia?
Thank you, FICCI Flow, Lucknow and Kanpur for this award. Strong women are those that are building one another up, and FICCI Flow is an organization of such strong women. Thank you once again for this very special award and for motivating thousands of women like me. Thank you.
Congratulations, Dia. Our runner-up in the category of Outstanding Women in Education is Meenakshi Khandelwal. Meenakshi runs her own institute, which in the last 18 years has trained more than 2,000 women in the field of fashion technology, interior designing, etc. She has been awarded the Women's Award twice in addition to the numerous other awards she has received. We once again congratulate Meenakshi Khandelwal for receiving runner-up Outstanding Women. That's all for the Urban Awards. I would now like to call upon my colleague Pooja Garg to give out the Rural Awards.
Thank you, Aarti. I'm delighted to present the next category awards in the rural sector. The first award in this sector is for the Outstanding Women in Social Work, and the winner is Renu Mehrotra. Renu Mehrotra is a 65-year-old social change agent. She has engaged herself in inactive social causes about a decade back and founded a local Rotary chapter for women called Inner Wheel Club in Biswan. In 2000, she also received an honor from DC Poonam Gulati. She focuses on key areas sense of empowerment, healthcare for the poor, education and employability, skills for students, and much more. Many, many congratulations, ma'am. Can we please have the video now?
आप सभी को रेनू मेहरोत्रा का सादर अभिवादन। साथियों, आज मैं जिस मुकाम पर पहुंची हूँ उसके लिए सर्वप्रथम मैं अपने परिवार को धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ जिन्होंने मुझे ये संस्कार दिए। साथ ही मैं अपने उन सभी सहयोगी साथियों को भी धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगी जो आज मेरे साथ मेरे इस सफर में खड़े हैं। आज से 44 वर्ष पूर्व जब मैंने अपने जीवन के नए परिवेश को अपनाया तब मैंने जाना कि गांव की जिंदगी क्या होती है। बिजली पानी का संकट, स्वास्थ्य सुविधाओं का अभाव एवं शिक्षा की दृष्टि से अपने बिस्वा क्षेत्र को अत्यंत पिछड़ा हुआ पाया। मन को बहुत पीड़ा पहुंची और प्रबल इच्छा शक्ति जागृत हुई कि इस समाज के लिए कुछ करना चाहिए। मैंने स्वास्थ्य सुविधाओं को उपलब्ध कराने की दृष्टि से मेडिकल कैंप्स एवं आई कैंप लगवाए। पिछले 5 वर्षों से हम इन कैंप के माध्यम से सैकड़ों लोगों का मोतियाबिंद का ऑपरेशन करवा चुके हैं। स्वास्थ्य की दृष्टि से हमने यहाँ के लड़कियों के लिए सैनिटरी पैड वेंडिंग मशीन विद्यालयों में लगवाई है। आज फिक्की फाउंडेशन की तरफ से मुझे जो गौरव प्रदान किया गया उसके लिए मैं हृदय से धन्यवाद देती हूँ और आशा करती हूँ कि आपके सहयोग से मैं अपने प्रयासों को सफलतापूर्वक आगे ले जा सकूंगी।
Thank you, Renuji, for everything that you do. You are truly an inspiration for all. The runner-up, Outstanding Women in Social Work, goes to Ranjana Singh. Ranjana Singh opened a school for rural children in 2005 with the vision to provide education to the children of a village belonging to a very low-income group. Now the school, public school, is affiliated by the UP government class from standard 1 to 8. She has also been awarded the Social Bravery Award by Gyan Bharti Trust. Many congratulations, Ranjana ji. Can we please have a few words from her? I don't think that she's here with us. Okay, so moving on to the next category for Outstanding Women in Community Health. And the winner is Sarvesh Kumari. Witnessing the value of kitchen gardens in improving health of the marginalized communities, Sarvesh Kumari got herself engaged in promotion of kitchen gardens for production of safe and nutritious vegetables for family consumption in her village and neighboring villages. She is the member of Ekta Nature Farming Producer Company Limited of Shivraj Block. She prepares natural fertilizers such as Jeevan Amrit, Ghan Amrit using cow dung and locally available material such as gram, flour, jaggery, etc. बहुत बहुत बधाई हो सर्वेश जी आपको और मेरी यही आशा है कि आप आगे इसी तरीके से सबको आपका योगदान बना रहे और आप ऐसे ही सब लोगों को उनका मनोबल बढ़ाते रहें। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। Can we have a small video from her, please?
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम सर्वेश कुमारी, मैं ग्राम पड़रा की रहने वाली हूँ। मुझे पुरस्कार सुमित भारती की तरफ से मिल रहा है। आपको मुझे बेहद खुशी हो रही है। आपको धन्यवाद।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका। The runner-up for Outstanding Women in Community Health goes to Ambika Dubey. Ambika Dubey has been living with HIV for the last 5 years. Due to extenuating circumstances, she was forced to evacuate and join the UPNP Plus network and working on the post of ORW in the CSC Gorakhpur from September 2015. She is currently working as a peer counselor. She is helping people like herself and motivating them to live a positive life. Until now, has got about 12 couples living with HIV married. She has also given free education to children and has connected people to legal aid and various government schemes. Many, many congratulations for the award, Ambika ji. Can we have a little video by her?
IIT कानपुर लखनऊ को अभी पुरस्कार देने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। साथ ही UPNP प्लस को भी धन्यवाद, जिससे मिलजुल कर हम काम कर रहे हैं। इस पुरस्कार से और भी काम करने का हमको प्रोत्साहन मिला है।
Thank you so much. You are an inspiration for all. Moving on to the next awards for Outstanding Women of Courage. And the winner in this category is Shambhavi Singh. Shambhavi Singh runs her own NGO called Sati Maharani Jan Kalyan Trust in Amethi. She has been working for the last 5 years, and the biggest challenge she faces to change is the thought process that women are only for housework and parda system that still prevail in villages. She organizes eye camps and works for the upliftment of the poor and the needy people. Many congratulations, Shambhavi ji. It is indeed very important to challenge people suffering. Please, can we have a video by her? All right, moving on. The runner-up for this category, Outstanding Women of Courage, is Renu Singh. Renu Singh works in government rural programs to alleviate poverty. One thing she always keeps in mind is that every work needs passion. Because of her work, she has gained respect from society. Many congratulations for this award. Please, can we have a short video by her, please? Okay. Now moving on to our next category, Outstanding Women Farmer. And the winner is Chaya Devi. Chaya Devi learned to make use of parasitic pesticides through Ghan Amrit, Jiva Amrit, Shivansh, leaves and other growth promoters, and understands the importance of poison-free food. She was selected as Ajivika Sakhi in National Rural Livelihood Mission. Many, many congratulations. बहुत बहुत आपको बधाई हो. You are an inspiration to many. Please, can we have a video?
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम छाया देवी है। मैं ग्राम तिंदली पोस्ट बिंदकी ब्लॉक मलवा जिला फतेहपुर उत्तर प्रदेश में रहती हूँ। मैं एक छोटे किसान से हूँ। हम जैविक खेती करते हैं। अपने खेत और गांव की खेती जैविक तरीके से करवाती हूँ, जिससे गांव का परिवार खुशहाल रहे। और हमें फिक्की फ्लो की तरफ से लखनऊ सेक्टर, कानपुर सेक्टर से अवार्ड मिला है। उनके लिए धन्यवाद करती हूँ और उनके आभारी हूँ। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। The runner-up, Outstanding Women Farmer, is Tetra Devi. Tetra Devi has set an example for the farming community to grow safe and healthy food through zero-budget nature farming. With the support of Shramik Bharti, she attended training on zero-budget nature farming and learned to develop machan-based vegetable gardens that provided good cultivation by maximum use of land. बहुत बहुत आपको बधाई हो तेत्रा देवी। आपका काम वाकई ही एक सराहनीय कार्य है इस क्षेत्र में। Can we have the video, please?
हमारा नाम तेतरा है, कमहरिया मछरिया का जिला चंदौली उत्तर प्रदेश का रहे वाली है। हम जैविक खेती करीला। लखनऊ चैप्टर, कानपुर चैप्टर से फिक्की फ्लो अवार्ड हमके मिलल है, जौने बदे के हम बहुत खुश है। सन के सबके धन्यवाद देते हैं। और अवार्ड मिलने के बाद हम यही तरह जैविक खेती करब, अपने व्यापार के और आगे बढ़ाई, जौने से विकास हो, मेरे परिवार का विकास हो, हमारे समाज का विकास हो। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Tetra Devi. Now moving on to our next award, Outstanding Woman Entrepreneur. Janak Singh. Janak Singh started a company named Rose Collection. She spent 40 years for the upliftment of unemployed women. Chikankari sarees and dress material are available at Rose Collection, which are handcrafted by women she has helped employ. Thank you so much, Janakji, for working to fighting unemployment, and many congratulations. Please, can we have her video? All right. Okay, now our next category is Against All Odds, and the first award is for Outstanding Women with Special Needs, and the winner is Divya Shukla. Divya Shukla is a founder, director, and teacher of Samarth Foundation. She was struck by rheumatoid arthritis at a very young age. Samarth Foundation is a registered charitable trust that has been working for the rights, welfare, and education of the children. In 2011 and 2014, Rotarians from abroad visited their center and were delighted to see their mode of functioning. From November 2015, they launched Operation Blue Line, in which all growing girls are given sanitary napkins. Various patrons are helping in this endeavor. Many, many congratulations, Divya ji. Your work is truly exemplary. Can we have a short video by her, please? Okay, the runner-up for Outstanding Women with Special Needs is Archana Srivastav. Archana Srivastav has faced many struggles in life, after which she dedicated herself to support as many women as she could. She was honored with Nari Shakti Samman 2019, Uttarakhand, among many other awards. She also works for children education and provides books to those who cannot afford them. Thank you so much, Archana ji. Moving on to the next category, for AIDS prevention. And the winner is Sangeeta Gupta. Sangeeta Gupta has been living with HIV since 2004. She worked as a tailor, and at the same time, the CCC opened in Gorakhpur. She got work in the post of ORW and started helping people like her living with HIV. Then she started working as a peer counselor at CSC Vihan. Currently, she is working on the post of field officer in the Ahana project run by UPNP+. Many congratulations, Sangeeta. Can we have a short video by her, please?
की लखनऊ और कानपुर को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जिसने हमें पुरस्कृत, UPNP+ को भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जिसने हमें
I think there's a little technical error here. Okay. Can we move on to the next, please? The runner-up for Outstanding Women in Community Action for AIDS Prevention is Dr. Ruby Bansal. Dr. Ruby Bansal is an HIV physician. She is head preventive health, adult immunization, and senior consultant HIV/AIDS and ID at Yashoda Super Speciality Hospital, Kushabli, Ghaziabad. She also trains healthcare providers in needle stick injuries. Many congratulations, Dr. Ruby. Can we have a few words from you, please?
नमस्कार। कोरोना एपिडेमी ने हम सबको परेशान कर रखा है, सब लोग डरे हुए हैं, हम डॉक्टर भी इससे छूते नहीं हैं, पर फिर भी सब अपना अपने काम में लगे हुए हैं और कोई भी चीज़ ऐसा सच रुक नहीं रही है। मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ FLO लखनऊ चैप्टर और FLO कानपुर चैप्टर को, जिन्होंने मुझे इस काबिल समझा अपने FLO वीमेंस अवार्ड के लिए फॉर द कम्युनिटी सर्विस ऑफ एड्स प्रिवेंशन। मेरे पास शब्द नहीं है उनका आभार व्यक्त करने के लिए। क्योंकि इस कोविड महामारी के दौरान भी वो अपना काम कर रहे हैं और वर्चुअल अवार्ड सेरेमनी मना रहे हैं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। आई एम ओवरवेल्म्ड एंड प्लीज़ स्टे सेफ एंड इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज रिस्पेक्ट द डॉक्टर। वी डॉक्टर्स आर सर्विंग यू, वी आर not your enemy, we are your friend. So please don't assault the doctor, and thank you very much. Namaskar.
Thank you, Dr. Ruby. It is indeed a very important message. And thank you to the entire doctor fraternity for their work right now in this pandemic. Thank you so much. Now moving on to our next category of awards, which are in arts, sports, and entertainment. The winner for Outstanding Women in Sports goes to Ranjana Safar. Ranjana Safar is a 64-year-old lady, social activist, and an educationalist imparting free education while also being engaged in business. She got a bronze medal in the 16th Master National Aquatic Championship 200 meters. She is also a recipient of Rotary International Service Awards AAS Excellence Award held at Kamani Auditorium in Delhi. Thank you so much. Many congratulations, Ranjana Safar. Can we have a short video by her, please?
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I, Ranjana Safar, am an educationist and winner of Masters National Aquatic Championship 2019. I am extremely honored to be receiving this prestigious Women Achievers Award from Vicky Flo for excellence in sports. I am earnestly grateful for the recognition that I have received from this esteemed organization, Vicky Flo. I have faced several challenges on my way here. It is not just my sole effort that has brought me here. God has blessed me. Winning this award would not have been possible without the inspiration and support that I have received from my family, my husband, my sons, my coaches, and my friends. I have the deepest love and respect for all of you, and I thank each one of you. I have derived the strength to challenge myself and perform to the best of my ability. It is you who have recognized my talent and honed it in such a way that I am standing here and talking before all of you. I promise to strive to get better. This is a very challenging time for all of us right now due to the coronavirus pandemic. Please follow the guidelines sincerely while helping those whom you can. I pray that we all emerge out of the current situation strongly and with good health. Thank you.
Thank you, Ranjana ji, for your exemplary contribution in this field. The runner-up for Outstanding Women in Sports is Varshita. Varshita is a state-level badminton player. Playing badminton is her passion, and she always tries her best to achieve her goals. Many congratulations, Varshita. Can we have a video with her? Our next awards are for Outstanding Women in Arts, and the winner is Anita Narayan. Anita Narayan has been working since the age of 10, and in 1990, she was declared a national artist. She was awarded by the State Lalit Kala in 2003, IFAX National Award in 2008, IFS Award in 2011, UP Ratan Award in 2015. Many congratulations to Anita ji. Can we have a short video? The runner-up for Outstanding Women in Arts goes to Dr. Purnima Pandey. Dr. Purnima Pandey has years of experience across academics and performing arts and close to a decade's experience in administration. Heading prestigious organizations like Bhatkhande, Music Institute, Deemed University Lucknow, and Indra Kala Sangh Vishwavidyalaya, Khairagar. She's an established intellectual in the field of performing arts. She's an excellent choreographer, and her compositions have the magic quality that lingers. Can we please have a short video by Dr. Purnima?
My humble namaskar to everybody. It is a matter of great pleasure for me that I have been selected for the runner-up award of the year 2019-20 by the FICCI Flow Lucknow Kanpur chapter, recognizing my contribution to the field of art. I appreciate how the FICCI Flow team is working hard to inspire, encourage and empower the women of our society to give their best to the society. This award is a great inspiration for me, and I express my deep gratitude to this prestigious organization for having bestowed this honor to me. I also extend my best wishes to the whole team of FICCI Flow in its endeavor. Thank you and namaskar.
Thank you so much, Purnima ji, for your excellent contribution in this field. We are so proud of you. Moving on, the outstanding women in entertainment. And the winner is Dr. Nishtha Sharma. Dr. Nishtha Sharma is an associate professor at Mahila Mahavidyalaya, Kidwai Nagar, Kanpur. She has written and presented about 80 national and international research papers. She has worked as a notational analyst in a book of international repute, Banjanama, a study of an early gramophone records. She is a prominent dance choreographer for the last 32 years and acted in all musical productions of Darpan, Kanpur. Many congratulations, Dr. Nishtha. Can we have a video, please? The runner-up for Outstanding Women in Entertainment goes to Tulika Banerjee. Tulika Banerjee is a multi-talented and a social influencer. She works for UP government since 2017. She's a radio jockey, anchor, actor, storyteller, speaker, and much more. She proved herself by the government exam at the age of 35 with 2 kids and a family. She has also worked for the renowned film industry productions like Dharma, Saregama, and more. She did ads for brands like UNICEF and Gyan Milk. Many congratulations, Tulika. Can we have a video by her, please?
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम तुलिका बैनर्जी है. I work for UP Power Corporation, but by heart I am an artist of various creative forms. I am a Kathak dancer, a sitar player, a radio jockey, an orator, an anchor, an actor. Because of so many things, sometimes मुझे दिक्कत होती थी लोगों को अपनी प्रतिभा या अपने टैलेंट को इस्टेब्लिश करने में. FICCI not only understood and recognized this talent of mine, this creative talent of mine, but also respected that and honored that by awarding me and placing me at the first place in FICCI Flow Award this year in the category of art, Outstanding Woman in Art and Entertainment. I am very, very, very grateful to FICCI for that. Thank you. Thank you would not be enough, but thank you by heart.
Thank you so much, Tulika ji. Many congratulations to all the wonderful women who have contributed immensely to our society. Moving on, I would request Aarti Gupta to present our next category of awards.
Our next category of awards is Outstanding Women for their exemplary work in community service. The winner for this award is Karishma Khanna. Karishma Khanna services in the Robin Hood Army since 2016. Under her leadership, the RHA provided basic education to street children and has served more than 16 million meals without raising money. Khanna wishes to accept this award on behalf of the entire Robin Hood Army Association. Thank you and congratulations to RHA. In the Outstanding Women in Exemplary Work or Exemplary Service to the Community is Dr. Professor Sheila Mishra. Dr. Mishra is a professor in the Department of Statistics, Lucknow University, and for her effort and dedication to promote knowledge and research along with character building and inculcation of ethics and human values, Mrs. Mishra has been awarded the Distinguished Scientist Award in 2018, the Samajik Seva Samman Award in 2017, and many such awards. We extend our heartiest congratulations to Dr. Mishra. Can we have a video, please?
I, Professor Sheila Mishra, wish to express my deep gratitude to FICCI for considering me for 5th FLO UP Award for 2019 and 20. It has been possible only with the grace of God and enormous support from family, friends, and society. I dedicate it to all of you. Together, we will win over coronavirus as well. Thank you very much.
Congratulations. With this, we come to the end of our awards, and I would like to request our FLO Lucknow chairperson, Mrs. Madhuri Halvasia, to give the vote of thanks.
Can't hear her.
1 second.
Awards are a bonus, but it's the work that you do and the sincerity with which you do it is the most important thing of all. These awards are a testimony to the power of technology as an enabler. I must take this opportunity to congratulate and thank Dr. Anuradha Varshney, under whose able leadership Team Kanpur carried out the FLO Awards with such aplomb. I would like to first thank our jury who took the time out to carefully go through each and every submission and decide upon the winners. It was the most daunting task of all. Next, I would like to congratulate all the winners and all the nominees in each category. Your will was well deserved, and we hope that this award motivates you to scale greater and newer heights. Next, I would like to thank the event chairs, Dr. Aarti Gupta and Mrs. Pooja Gupta, Pooja Garg, for working hard and making this possible in spite of such unforeseen hurdles. I would also like to extend my gratitude to FLO Kanpur chapter, especially the ladies mentioned above, Kanika Ved and Pooja Gupta. How can we forget to thank Dainik Jagran, our associate partner, and Sky Bungalow for sponsoring the cash prizes. Thank you, Alka Dalmia, for your support. Lastly, I would like to thank the team of Inknuts, our digital partner, for the hard work put into this event. We hope to continue this tradition of hosting the UP FLO Awards in Lucknow next year. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Madhuri ji. And thank you everyone for joining this. There were a few technical glitches for which I hope you all will excuse us, but it was so wonderful to have all of you join us. We were more than 100 participants who watched this. We were hesitant to put on the show, but I think it went on beautifully. So congratulations to all the winners, and thank you everyone for your support.